going to explain about the inspect tools. So right now I have a sketch in which I have drawn two lines which are overlapping and also intersecting at a point, and the two parallel lines here. And the first command I'm going to explain is the overlapping geometry. Overlapping geometry is used to highlight the geometries which are overlapping to each other. So right now in my sketch I have two lines which are overlapping to each other. If I click this overlapping geometry, it highlights the overlapping geometry in my sketch, that is these two intersecting lines. And the next command I'm going to explain is the highlighting open ends. So in my sketch I have open ends which are represented as red dots here. If I uncheck my over highlight open ends, now my open ends are not highlighted. The next command I'm going to discuss is the shade closed loops. In my sketch I don't have shade closed loops like here now, so I'm going to draw a line and connect these two ends, and now my sketch has a closed loop and a shaded color inside it. If I uncheck this, there will be no shaded color inside your loop. So while drawing a sketch, make sure that highlight open ends and shade closed loops are activated. And I'm going to talk about the intersection point. Click on this intersection point and select this line. An information window opens which displays the coordinates of your intersection point. And I'm going to close this one. And I'm going to delete this. And the next is the tangency point. For explaining this, I'm going to draw a circle, a center point circle. Click the center point, and I'm going to draw a line tangent to my circle. Click on this line and select this point, and I have drawn a line tangent to my circle. And now click on the tangency point, and holding down the control key, select these two lines and my circle. And the information window displays which display your angle of tangency and your curvature of red entity which is your line, and curvature of blue entity which is your circle. And I'm going to delete this line, and I'm going to explain the entity. Click on this circle, and it displays what is the type of your entity and what is the radius of your entity and what is the length of your entity as well. And click on the future requirements. Right now it shows that I have no reference here, but I have my entity can be converted into a 3D future, and also my section contains the geometric entities.